In this lesson, we will learn about how to analyze data using Microsoft Excel. इस लेसन में हम देखेंगे कि हम कैसे एक्सेल के डेटा को मैनेज करते हैं, क्या क्या फंक्शंस यूज़ करते हैं, कौन सा टाइप यूज़ करते हैं, विच टाइप वी आर यूजिंग, एंड how to make using the border and also how to use the color. I will show that in this video. Whatever we we have required in this syllabus, we will use it, and as well as we will show that the how to filter the data. First of all, we have seen that how to filter the data. In this home screen, we have seen that the some buttons, some tabs, some functions are given. So we should first of check how to check that what is this, what is the work, and what is this. Suppose first of all we have seen that this in this Excel we have seen the new, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, close. This is the option is coming here. Whenever you go to start button, this is called the start button, and we have open it. In this home button we have opened first of all because we have mentioned the sheet 1. We have mentioned in sheet 1 what is mentioned as the page number 137. You have checked it, the same uh, column and row we have created, and same name and height, like this. So first of all we have required to how to make the sheet and what is the purpose of this. Any student can make it easily because this is the important for us. We have created the name like this, and same things one cells. This is cells, total columns, whole columns. How much? If we are selecting here, suppose here, how much column is showing? Suppose there. Here we have seen that the what we have seen that name. Suppose we have seen that blank sheet is not coming any data. Suppose if we have then we have seen the count number of 9 and the sum of 1358. This is the one procedure. This is the only in we can say that we have used the manually. हम अपने जब भी माउस और कर्सर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं तब ये डेटा हमको मिलता है. हम यहाँ पे बेसिकली लर्न सीखना है हमको कैसे फ़िल्टर करते हैं. सपोज here one function is given, command is given, this sort and filter. What is this? Sort and filter. And we have go through, we have seen that some command will use the range of specific. So we have seen that first of all we have selected this column, and then again see here whenever click the sort smallest to largest, what will value will get. यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि वैल्यू हमारा जो छोटे से बड़े में आएगा, तो सबसे पहले छोटा आएगा. जब भी हम क्लिक करते हैं एक्सपेंड होगा. देखो यहाँ पे एक्सपेंड एक ऑप्शन आता है, एक्सपेंड. वी हैव सीन दैट एक्सपेंड. क्लिक, छोटे से सारा वैल्यू वाला कमिंग आ रहा है. फर्स्ट नंबर नेम के साथ पूरा हम क्या कर देते हैं, हमने फिर से क्या कर दिया, कंट्रोल जेड कर दिया, सेम वैल्यू आ गई. अगेन इफ वांट टू सेम वैल्यू अगेन विल व्हाट विल सेम वैल्यू, कंट्रोल वाई. So we have checked this. Some short key also available in the MS Excel. So first of all, we should check it the data from smallest to largest. Again we have checked it the largest to smallest. Again same value will come here. So like this we have used the function also. The some functions like filter and some auto sum command is given there, some average, count, number, max, minimum, more functions. More function is categorized whatever we want to set the sum like this. This is the another option here. And we have the option here bold. We want, if we have clicked there b point, b alphabet, this is coming like this. Suppose we have given the numbers one to big number, means like this, increase the size of number. So this is the size ड्रॉप डाउन बटन, दिस इज कॉल्ड द ड्रॉप डाउन बटन. ये ड्रॉप डाउन बटन होता है जिसमें क्या होता है, नंबर का हम साइज बढ़ाते रहते हैं जैसा हम चाहते हैं, अकॉर्डिंग टू यूज़. अकॉर्डिंग टू यूज़ हम क्या करते हैं, बढ़ाते रहते हैं. In this home tab we have seen this is the automatically coming the colorful data. Whenever this is drop down we have selected font color. What this is called the font color size. This is functions. This is function. This is predefined. This is all things is predefined. Whatever this whatever what we want to change, theme color, this is background color, not changing the data color. If you want to select, we have put the color is this, we can put here, not for this. And if want to put the numbers, home tower tab, we have changed the color by using the font color and fill color both. With the help of we can put the anything what we want to change. This is also change. We can change the size and all those things. Use of this. If you want to go back, then we can put the control Z. Coming back, control Z. Again same we have. First of all I want to inform that we have analyzed data using Microsoft Excel. We have seen that the two columns are there, name and height. In name and height we have first of all click on the home tab. Home tab we have seen that the color, fill color and bold, italic. The this is the two option is given there. The alphabets is also we can put what which type we want. And then we have seen that the functions also given here, the filter and sort and filter. So we have seen that the we have seen that the sort and filter, some predefined function is given there. Sort A to Z, sort Z to A. One second. Again we have opened the Excel sheet. Go to Home tab. This column we have selected height, and again the data will expand. One short warning is coming here. Expand the selection. We have put OK. Data is expanded from lowest to highest. Again same things we have done, from the largest to lowest. The data will show that largest to lowest. मीन्स जो नंबर हमारा बड़ा होगा वो बड़ा आएगा. अगर हम लार्जेस्ट टू लोवेस्ट करेंगे तो बड़े से छोटे में जाएगा. असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर जानते हो ना बेटा, असेंडिंग एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इस तरह ये हम करते हैं, और हम जो भी चाहते हैं बोल्ड इस्तेमाल करना, बोल्ड कर लेते हैं. हम जो चाहते हैं इसमें करते रहते हैं चेंज, हम जैसा चाहते हैं. और हम दूसरी तरीके से हम इनको वो भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं. सपोज हम अच्छे तरीके से हम बॉर्डर मेंटेन कर देते हैं. दिस इज़ द वे फिल्टर द डेटा, हाउ टू फिल्टर द डेटा. एंड अनदर थिंग्स in home tab we can use here, we are using in this chapter the filtration the data directly. What will do that? The filtration. In this select all, we have seen that the one button select all. What data we want to choose? Suppose we want to 2 numbers only choose, then only 2 student data will come, because the one number data is same to student, so data will come 3. Don't confuse, क्योंकि हमने जो डेटा लिया 149 वो 2 स्टूडेंट का है, इसलिए 2 स्टूडेंट आएंगे वहाँ पे. So the type of data we have selected all, select all. Coming the data, this again we have go through the largest, smallest to largest, so largest to smallest, and here we have one option, number filter, greater than option. Suppose the 155 we have put the number 150, जो भी नंबर 150 से ऊपर होगा वो आएगा और नहीं आएंगे. 151, 155 like this coming here. This is used in this chapter, how to summarize the data and what is the presentation, and how to use the border, and how to use the home tab. We have learned it. Bold, we can bold whatever we want to change that. We have used the color also backside. See here. So we have seen that one button is insert. In insert button we have seen that the option column, line, pie, bar, area and scatter, dotted. The representation bar is showing also graphical representation. We have seen that all data is coming representation like this. Name and height both is coming like this, is graphically horizontal and vertical, both they have show that. I think you are able to understood. हम इसमें हॉरिजॉन्टली एक्स डायरेक्शन और वाई डायरेक्शन में हमने डेटा को बनाया. हम ऐसे भी बना सकते हैं, बट हम डायरेक्टली यूज़ कर रहे हैं एक्सेल में. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सारे जो डेटा हैं कैसे हमको पुट करना है, कैसे हम ये प्री डिफाइंड फंक्शन को, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द प्री डिफाइंड, ये पहले से डिफाइंड है. हम अगर लाइन वाले पे क्लिक करेंगे तो ये शो करेगा. अगर हम पाई पे सी करेंगे तो स्लाइसली ये डेटा रिप्रेजेंट करें, और बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. वी कैन कीप हियर द कलर आल्सो. आई वांट टू शो दैट. कीप हियर 1 minute, just wait. The color also change. If you want to put the all color in the same black direction, we can see that we have put here. हम जो भी कलर भरना चाहें वो कलरफुल आएगा डेटा. इससे क्या होता है, इजीली अंडरस्टूड होते हैं हम कैसे हम एक्सेल में अपने डेटा को समराइज करते हैं, इवेलुएट करते हैं और एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू को रिसीव करते हैं जो भी कॉलम्स में या रो में हम डेटा चाहते हैं. ये हमारा हाँ, इस चैप्टर में हमको ये पढ़ना है. और आई थिंक आई हैव गिवन द आंसर शीट, सो you can check it also in answer sheet. I have mentioned all those things. जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है इसमें हमने दे दिया है. If any doubt, please text the message.